And as I said, got introduced to Trentham Invest. And found in Nicola, and frankly, I found a Rottweiler acting for me. Yeah, I mean, she tore into City and tried to understand and tore their pension advisors, administrators, to give them numbers or give her numbers and facts. And she was a lot tougher with them than I would have been. Yeah, and she got results. Results in the fact that the pension administrators would only let a director talk to her. In the end, that just worked for me. You get somebody who knows what they're talking about. It's not going to be about the bush. We'll give it to you straight. She has good knowledge, sound knowledge of the whole industry and the whole landscape with regards to pension. And the complications are something that you can't handle for yourself personally. It isn't that obvious. There are nasty little dark corners that you need to think about and worry about. And Nicola covers all of that. There's no sweet talking, there's no cups of tea and cakes every meeting, then keep you sweet and saying yes to everything you're likely to want to hear. You're giving it straight. You know your hard choices, and that's what you need at this point in life. Yeah? You're not just a file in the bloody filing cabinet in the corner, waiting for you to scream if something isn't right. Somebody is thinking and looking after your interests. That helps you sleep at night. You are told all the things you are going to happen, will have to happen. Yeah? That's reassuring. You know where you stand exactly.